Hi guys, after all the panic buying from the supermarkets, you probably end up a pile of carrier bags from the supermarket, different supermarket, loads of carrier bags. I'm going to make all these carrier bags. You see, open up here. One of these big bags into storable small piece. See, one of these into nice and compact small pack. Hi guys, as I said, I'm just going to show you how to fold these huge, maybe I shouldn't say huge, big Asda bag into a nice compact pack like this. Okay, this big bag, look at this, probably the smallest you could do, I think. This big bag is going to turn into a small compact size like this. Okay, just going to leave this as well. I'm just going to show you. First, put your bag like this. Make sure there's no air inside. So if there's air inside, it might be slightly difficult for it to fold, or maybe might be slightly fat. So just put it like the first handle towards you. When you put the bag like this, the first handle towards you, fold it inside and make sure there's no air, and fold it once away from you and make sure there's no air, then fold it twice away from you towards the handle, yeah, and then make sure there's no air, then put your finger by the handle corner, fold it once and make sure there's no air again. See, align it this way, or if you don't even align it, this doesn't matter. I think I never tried it that way anyway. I just tried it over this way. So put it back again, fold it the other direction and fold it again, so make sure there's no air. Then look at this, then fold this into a triangle and fold it another triangle again, and take this corner, push it towards the handle, click it, ready. See, if you fold it like this, you don't have to keep all these bags like a proper big bulk of carrier bags. If you fold it like this, you can keep it in very tidy. Keep it very tidy. If you keep it in a box or small, or even in another bag, you can put all of them in a bag. Keep it in one bag. You can't keep all those bags in this. There's already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bags here. Basically, you could do it to any carrier bags with a handle the same way. See, I got, if you are from UK, probably I have here Aldi's bag, Lidl's bag, Asda bag, I got Tesco bag. All these bags got handles, so I nicely done it. So you see, you've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bags just in a small pack. See, I could put them in a small bag or a small box, or in a cupboard itself. I can keep it nice, or I could put in the car itself in a glove box. So whenever I go to shopping, I could just pick a couple of bags and get this, rather than keeping bags everywhere in a pile. This is the easy option. If you like this, follow me on Facebook and YouTube. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye. I'm going to show you now. This is how you fold the non-handle bags. The one we normally had, these are the other ones with the handles like these, the long handles like this. This one don't have a long handle, so I'm just going to show you how to do this non-handle bags like these. Okay, I mean, actually they have handles, but not handles. The handles are not from how can I say, just an outside handle, like it's come out. It's not like that. This is just integrated handle. So I'm going to show you how to do these ones. So fold these ones into one of these small triangles. See, one of these small triangles. These bags into one of these small triangles. Okay, it's almost similar process, slightly different. You fold it different way. Make sure you don't have air in there. So see, I just make it clean, nice and tidy. Okay, you can fold it either way. It's up to you. Just fold it once, twice, and try 3 times. Okay, fold it 3 times like this. Nice and solid. Now I'm going to flip it over because I don't want this to come out, so I'm going to flip it. It's like fold the triangle this way. Once, then it's easy. Just to start, then it's like automatically folds it every time. And 3 times. Then what you could do is, you can see there's a hole here, so I fold it like this again, the last bit, and see the hole. I'm just going to fold a small piece here to make it easier, and push them in. See, it's done. Easy, push them in, it's done. Neat, nice and neat. Fold back. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Howie.
Happy birthday,
How about you?
Alexa.
Are you darling? The video up, okay?
Hi.
Fine person.
Say hello.
No, I like just like so like.
No. If you like this video, please subscribe, like us, follow us. Please subscribe and press the bell button on YouTube, Facebook, soon on Instagram and TikTok. Soon. Now say it properly. If you like this,
If you like this video, please subscribe on YouTube
Facebook,
and Facebook and TikTok.
soon on TikTok. We are not on TikTok yet.
And
Instagram.
Instagram.
Like us, follow us, and share us.
Follow us, share us.
Come say, please subscribe. Say,
Hi, Daddy. Hi.
okay, please subscribe.
Hi, Daddy.
Please subscribe. Say, please subscribe.
Hi.
So, can you say, Alexa, please subscribe? Alexa?
Alexa.
Yeah?
Hi.
Oh, please subscribe. Good boy.